Hello guys, another day, another video! So today I'm gonna make keychains using shrink plastic. I know it's not new, I've done that before, but this time I'm gonna use this. So basically I'm just gonna have to print my design on top of it, cut it, put it in the oven, and then it's done. So it's gonna be way faster than just using these films. But to be honest, I've tried them before and I didn't really like the final result. Even if this one is really time consuming, the result is much clearer and looks much better than using this. But I thought that maybe I should just add some decoration at the end to make it look better. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get started. So this is one of the designs that I'm gonna use for my keychain. So the first step that you have to do is to lower the opacity, because when you're gonna bake the plastic, the color will get darker. So I recommend you guys to lower the opacity to 50%. It's gonna look very transparent, but don't be scared because, like I said, during the baking process, the color will look normal. And I'm gonna do the same for the next one, 50%. And now we just have to print. So far it's pretty easy. I think this one is going to look pretty small compared to this one after baking. It's gonna be okay. It's still gonna be cute. I'm done with the cutting, so vamos to the oven. Yeah, I don't know how to say oven in Spanish. So this is the final result. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm not a huge fan of the result when you use the printing film, because if I compare with the one that I did, the whole process of scratching, coloring, everything, I feel like the result is much better. But still, this option will save you some time, especially if you have a shop and you want to sell some handmade keychains. So we're gonna try to make them look a little bit better. And for that, I was thinking to add some glitters on top. Let's go. So I got a bunch of little glitters like this. I bought them on Amazon, if I'm not mistaken, a while ago when I was doing a lot of nail art and stuff like that. So I thought it would be nice to give them another purpose and to use them for this project. So my plan is to put a little bit of varnish in some area as glue, then to pour some glitters on top and remove the excess of glitters and see if it holds. It's gonna be very messy, and I think I'm gonna find some glitters all around my bedroom for months, but I hope it's gonna work. So let's give it a try. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of varnish in this cup. So I'm gonna try with this one first. So I think a thin layer would be enough to get the glitters on top. Okay, so now let's pour some glitters. So I have these cute blue glitters here. Ooh, glitters all over already. Ah, it's too many. Looks like it glued a little bit. Maybe I should take another brush to remove the excess. Let's take this one. Oh, it removes everything. Okay, we're gonna try again. Okay. It worked. Wow. Look at that. Putting glitters everywhere. Woo! So I'm gonna leave this one dry a little bit and I'm gonna try another one. This one I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Maybe I should remove the glitters, otherwise they're all gonna mix together. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this. So before starting this, you should put a piece of paper underneath so you can collect the glitters afterwards and put them back if possible. Oh no! All right, next color. So for this one, I think I'm just gonna pour these glitters. They're kind of big, but very colorful. So I think it's gonna match perfectly with this one to make the bubble tea pop. So same process, a bit of varnish. And the glitters. I already feel falling. Oh, that's huge. Oh, that's so cute. Love it. So now that you guys know the drill, I'm gonna speed up the process and show you the final result at the end. Honestly, they look pretty good right now. I have more glitters that I could add on top of them, but I'm not sure if I put too much glitters, they're gonna look a bit crazy or too messy. We're not gonna see the other parts of the design. So I don't know. Maybe you guys can tell me, what do you think? Should I add more glitters or do you think it's enough like this? For me, it's quite okay. I could add more because it's really fun, but maybe I don't want to overdo the whole thing and I should leave it as is. So let me know guys, what do you think? For now, I'm gonna stop here, and depending on what you're gonna say, I'm gonna add more on or just leave it like this. So that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I can't wait to know what you think I need to do for this project. And I'll see you tomorrow for our next video. Bye bye, au revoir!